In this video, we will learn the most basic editing operations in PowerPoint 365. These are the essential commands commonly used when working with slides, especially useful for beginners who are just getting started with creating presentations. The first action we will look at is adding a new slide. To insert a new slide into your presentation, simply select the location where you want the new slide to appear. Then use the shortcut control and click to choose the new slide option. A new blank slide will be inserted right where you selected, ready for you to edit and customize as needed. Next, if you decide to remove a slide that you've just added or no longer need, you can do so easily. Click on the slide you want to delete in the slide list. Then, right-click on it and select the option labeled Delete Slide. The slide will be removed immediately from your presentation, helping you keep things organized. Another common task is duplicating a slide. This is helpful when you want to create a copy of a slide with the same layout and content. To duplicate a slide, right-click on the one you wish to copy, then select Duplicate Slide. PowerPoint will instantly create an exact replica of that slide, including all the text and formatting, making it easier to reuse existing content. We also often need to change the order of slides. For example, if you want the first slide to come after the second one, simply click on the slide you want to move, hold down the mouse button, drag it to the new location, and release. The slide will be repositioned accordingly in the sequence of your presentation. These are the fundamental slide editing operations that every new PowerPoint user should become comfortable with. Understanding how to add, delete, duplicate, and reorder slides will give you a strong foundation to build and manage presentations more effectively.